Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 49 of chapter 4, section 1. Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of f on the given interval. F of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 on the closed interval negative 3 through 4. Absolute maximum or minimum can occur at the critical number or at the endpoints of the interval. So let's find out the critical number by setting the derivative to 0. A critical number is a number at which either the derivative equal to 0 or it does not exist. But this being a polynomial, we have to find out the derivative always exists. So we have to set the derivative to 0 in order to find out the critical number. So let's find out the critical number. So set the derivative to 0. The derivative of 2x cube, that will be 6x square. The derivative of negative 3x square, that will be negative 6x. Then derivative of negative 36x, that will be a negative 36. Derivative of 7, which is 0, so that will be equal to 0. You can take the 6 out, so it is x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. This would mean x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 3 times x plus 2 equal to 0 on factoring. This will give x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 2. Both these numbers 3 and negative 2 belong to the interval. They belong to the interval negative 3 through 4. So if any of these numbers lie out of this interval negative 3 to 4, then you can disregard the critical number. So critical number should be a number inside the interval over which the function is defined. Now for step 2, we have to find out the values of the function at the critical numbers, and then values of the function at negative 3 and 4, which are the endpoints of the interval. Then the highest of this will become the absolute max. The lowest of those values will become absolute min. So we will find out the values at the critical number. So find the values of f. So we are finding the values at the critical points and at the endpoints of the interval. So the values of the function at the critical points are f at 3 and f at negative 2. F at negative 2. The endpoints are negative 3 and 4. Endpoints are negative 3 and 4. So we'll have to find out these values of the function. The function is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. So we are going to replace the x by 3 into the original one. So 2 times 3 cube minus 3 times 2 square minus 36 times 3 square minus 36 times 3 plus 7. Same way we have to compute at negative 2. So negative 2 cube minus 3 times negative 2 square minus 36 times negative 2 plus 7. Same way we have to find out f at negative 3 and f at 4. So we get these values. F at 3, which is negative 74, f at negative 2 is 51, f at negative 3 is 34, f at 4 is negative 57. Of these values, we have to pick the highest of these 4 values, which is equal to 51, which is the absolute maximum value. And then lowest would be negative 74, which is attained at 3. So you write that. So absolute maximum value is f at negative 2, which is equal to 51. Then absolute minimum value f at 3, which is negative 74. Hope this video helps.